We built this world together.
Here, artificial intelligence is woven into the very fabric of life.
We are rewriting the rules of urban living. Welcome to the future.
Good morning, Ethan. Here is your schedule for today. Scan complete. Vital signs are optimal. Hydration is at 92%. Wellness score, 95.
Singapore has always been a living laboratory, but today, the line between nature and technology has completely dissolved. Welcome.
Identity verified. Welcome back, Mr. Tan.
Good morning, Ethan. Have a productive day. Here, humans and AI don't just coexist. We build the future together. We must integrate our systems. This will optimize energy and mobility by 2050. We are processing billions of data points. This will solve global climate modeling.
We must align our protocols.
I agree with that. Here, AI isn't just a tool, it's a partner in saving lives. Welcome to the future of care. Innovation isn't just about speed, it's about harmony between technology and nature.
Singapore is redefining urban mobility. Here, the future isn't just planned, it's already airborne.
This isn't just a mall, it's a living ecosystem. Welcome to Singapore 2050.
Welcome back, Mr. Tan. Optimizing your profile now. Optimizing your profile now.
We are blending nature with absolute intelligence.
Inside this retail space, AI manages everything, shifting nutrition from guesswork to precise data. It is
Here in Singapore, the future isn't just imagined, it's actively being built. Welcome to the next generation.
Welcome back, Ethan. I recommend the Emerald Blend.
The fit is perfectly dynamic. It actively monitors your posture. This is the future of comfort.
Thank you for your visit, Ethan.
In this city, the future doesn't sleep. It delivers, seamlessly integrating technology with life.
Welcome to the future of dining, Mr. Tan. Right this way, Mr. Tan. Here is our menu.
We are redefining how we view our food, balancing taste and sustainability. We are redefining the future of taste. Here in Singapore, the future isn't just built, it is grown. A living harmony of nature and absolute intelligence.
Singapore is redefining the harmony between nature and technology. This is the living blueprint of a sustainable future.
Welcome to the edge of reality. Here, Entertainment isn't just watched, it is truly lived. We built this for the future. A living testament.
Singapore has officially entered the space age. Driven by AI, this facility redefines our future.
All systems are green for the mass transfer.
We are redefining our place in the cosmos. This is the dawn of a new era.
On the lunar surface, humans and machines now work as one.
Rover 4, clear for departure.
We are building a new vision of home on Mars. By blending living ecosystems with advanced AI, we secure. By 2050, Changi became more than just a transit hub.
Tuas Megaport is now the beating heart of global trade. Here, AI and human vision operate as one.
Welcome back, Ethan. Preparing your relaxation sequence. The indoor temperature is now set to 22 degrees.